Our humble obeisance to the one we revere, our deep obeisance to the one we revere. We watch the divine procession through our eyelids. So far, 29 videos have been published in this channel. Before going further, let us recap what we have covered so far in the next 4 short videos. Ahiṁsā or kindness is said to be at the base of Dharma. In video 001, citing verse 33 of the 4th chapter of Śrī Daśvaikālik Sūtra, we established that Jñān or knowledge precedes Dayā or kindness. Therefore, the aim of this channel is to introduce some nuances of the terminology we encounter in the insights shared by sages. This builds a pre-understanding for better understanding. In video 002, we cited verse 35 of the same 4th chapter of Śrī Daśvaikālik Sūtra to emphasize the need for knowledge of Jīv, that is living being, and Ajīv, that is non-living being, to understand Saṁyam, that is Chāritra Dharma or the code of conduct of a seeker. We further indicated that both Jīv and Ajīv are constituents of Sat or nature. Every Sat substance has 6 Sāmānya or general or common attributes such as Astitva or existence, etc. Sat or nature is Abhed, that is identity in differences, Advait, that is the one in duality, and Akhanḍ, that is the whole in parts, in which the whole existence is encompassed. The Jīv and Ajīv distinctions are made to understand Sat comprehensively. These distinctions are made by means of their Viśeṣa or special attributes. JñātāDraṣtā, that is continuous engagement in seeing and knowing, is a special attribute of Jīv. In video 003, we surveyed some philosophical perspectives on the basic principle of the universe. Typically, on one end is the becoming, the flux, the ever-changing, ephemeral and impermanent, while on the other end is the being, the constant, the permanent, unchanging and indestructible. According to Jain darshan, there are 3 basic principles, Utpad, Vyaya and Dhruva. Utpad and Vyaya involve constant flux, ephemerality and perishability. Dhruva indicates stability, permanence and eternality. The very essence of the Utpad, Vyaya, Dhruva triplet is the insight that while the Kshanbhangur or fleeting lasts, use it to awaken the Kshanvarti or transitive and reach the stage of gaining awareness of the Shashvat or permanent Dhruva principle. Tav Dhammam Samayare also means that while we have the impermanent or ephemeral available to us, use it to seek Dharma, meaning the eternal one. In continuation with video 002, the next few videos delve into characterizing Ajīv and Jīv. In video 004, we saw 5 types of Ajīv, namely Dharmastikāya, etc. The terms Pradesh, Parmanu or atom and Samay were introduced. We have 5 Ajīv, 5 Astikāya and 5 Arupi substances among Shad-dravya or 6 substances. Ajīv is eternally pure and liberated. Jīv is the only substance that needs the support of Ajīv in its journey towards liberation. Jīv is thus indebted to the non-living Jad world. In the next few videos, we discuss the types of Jīv. In video 005, we saw that Jīv are of 2 primary types, namely the liberated Siddha and the unliberated Sansari or Asiddha. This video contains terms like Sarvajña, Moksha and Nirvāna, which are further elaborated in video 013. Among Sansari Jīv, we saw Bhavi or Bhavya and Abhavi Jīv. We pointed out that Abhavi is also respectable, using an analogy of Abhavi as a boatman. Sansari Jīv are divided into 2 types, namely Sthavar and Tras. 5 Sthavar and Tras together make 6 types of Jīv or Shad Jīv. They are embodied, hence they are called Nikāya. Thus, there are 6 types of embodied Jīv or Shad Jīv Nikāya. In video 006, we saw 5 types of Sthavar Jīv such as Prithvikāya, Jīv whose body is earth, etc. Among these, Badar or gross Vanaspatikāya or Jīv whose body is plants are further subdivided into Pratyek meaning each and Sadharan meaning common. Video 007 introduced Sansari Tras Jīv. The types of Tras Jīv are Beindriya, Tendriya, Chavrendriya and Panchindriya. Jīv from Ekendriya to Chavrendriya, that is from 1 to 4 senses, do not have a mind. Therefore, they are called Asanni Jīv, that is Jīv not having a mind. Panchendriya Jīv are further classified into 2 types, namely Asanni, that is not having a mind, and Sanni, that is having a mind. Further, the 84 lakh Jivayoni or 8.4 million species are listed. The recap will continue in the next video with humble submission to the Divine Nature God.